Hi colleagues, Nick Solquist, Industrial Officer with our union, the IEU, here with your Anglican bargaining team. We've just come out of the latest SBU meeting with Anglican employers and just wanted to give you a quick update. First of all, we'd like to thank all the members that participated in our short survey last week. It really helped us in responding to employers today, and we're even able to use some of the anonymised comments we got in responding to employers about how staff are really feeling in their schools. The three big takeaways from today's meeting was there was no movement on salary. However, there does appear to be a movement from the employer away from entrenching a 4-year agreement and moving back to a 3-year agreement. Employers did withdraw their reduction in the position of responsibility tenure and are willing to stick with the 5 and 5 under the current agreement. There was, however, unfortunately, further rejection of the workload and work intensification clauses we'd put to the employers at the last meeting. Keep an eye out in your emails for a short briefing before the end of the week to let you know exactly what happened today, and then a more detailed briefing early in the new term to talk about the next steps in our teaching conditions, equal learning conditions campaign. We hope you all get a restful break over Easter, and we're looking forward to working with you and our other members to achieve the outcomes on pay and workload we're all looking for in this round of bargaining. Don't hesitate to contact our office if you have any further questions. Thanks again.